Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest in beauty and personal care. Now, if you've ever tried to get your little ones excited about brushing their teeth, you know it's not always the easiest task. But what if I told you there's a way to make brushing fun and effective? Let's talk about the Towel Clean Umma Kids Sonic Toothbrush and UV Sanitizing Station. This toothbrush is designed for children aged 3 and up, offering a sonic brushing experience that makes oral hygiene feel like a game rather than a chore. The real magic happens with the toothbrush's built-in features and the UVC sanitizing station that comes with it. It's not just about brushing, it's about keeping those bristles clean and safe for every use. Now, let's dive into what makes this product stand out. The toothbrush has a couple of important features. It has a 2-minute timer that's dentist recommended to ensure your kids brush long enough to do a thorough job. It also has dual speed settings, super clean for a deeper clean, and sensitive clean for a gentler brushing experience. Plus, it has an auto shut-off feature, so you don't have to worry about leaving it on by mistake. But one of the coolest parts? Every 30 seconds, the brush will alert your child to switch to the next section of their mouth. This is great for helping them develop the habit of brushing every part of their teeth evenly and thoroughly. The best part? The UVC sanitizing docking station that comes with it. This station kills 99.9% of the bacteria on the brush head, ensuring that the brush is always clean and hygienic, as well as charging the toothbrush for its next use. Plus, it dries and protects the brush head, ensuring long-lasting use. As for the actual brushing experience, the brush feels comfortable and lightweight, and my little one loved the colorful stickers included to customize the toothbrush. It's these small touches that help make it more engaging for kids. And don't worrying about the size. It's designed perfectly for little hands, making it easy to grip. However, like with any product, there are a few considerations. One downside is that the brush head, although hygienically sealed, will need to be replaced over time, so you'll need to stay on top of buying replacements. Also, while the UVC sanitizing station is a great feature, it does take up a bit of space on the counter, so if you're tight on space, keep that in mind. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, absolutely. Given the features like the UV sanitizing station, the dual speed settings, and the fun customizations, I think the price is reasonable for what you're getting. It's a thoughtful, well-designed product that not only encourages kids to brush, but also makes the experience more enjoyable and safe. For alternatives, there are other kids' sonic toothbrushes out there, but none with a UVC sanitizing feature quite like this. Some are a bit cheaper, but they often lack the sanitizing feature or the cool factor that comes with this one. In terms of build quality, the toothbrush feels sturdy and the materials are top-notch. The UVC sanitizing station is well-designed and works efficiently, so you can expect this product to last a good while. Now, if you're wondering about the customer service, I've heard positive things about Towel Clean's responsiveness, and they also offer a 2-year warranty covering manufacturer-related defects. This provides some peace of mind, knowing that if you run into any issues, you're covered. So, who would I recommend this product for? If you're looking for a toothbrush that will keep your child engaged, help them develop good oral hygiene habits, and offer an extra level of cleanliness with the UVC sanitizing station, this is a great pick. It's a solid choice for parents who want to make brushing fun while ensuring their child's toothbrush is as hygienic as possible. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty and health-conscious parents can find this video too. If you're ready to get one, the link to purchase is in the comments. And if you've used this product already, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.